pasta with asparagus and spring onions. I have some water coming up to a boil on the back burner. That's for our pasta. I'm using a funny pasta, gili. It looks like calla lilies. Beautiful. Any shortcut pasta would do for this that you prefer. So here's how I started the base. I took 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a small skillet over low heat, and I melted a couple of large cloves, 3 large cloves of garlic into that oil, and then I added harissa paste. And I'm gonna add a round tablespoon of rose harissa in my case, but you could be fresh chili pepper, and the 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and the gently cooked out garlic, nice and cool. I'm putting that in the food processor. Then we're going to take the juice of 1 lemon, cut side up so the seeds do not fall into the food processor. We're going to add, just poke the top here, about 3/4 of a cup or a half a container. This is about 16 ounces or almost 2 cups of tahini sauce, ground sesame seeds. That's what this is. You may have to stir yours up. It depends on the brand you buy. This one's very pourable. I love it. Good pinch of kosher salt. Okay. And if you like, I like the flavor of a little black pepper in this as well. So I'm going to put a few grinds of black pepper in there as well. And we're going to turn this on. Then we're going to stream in just enough to make this loose, but not watery. So we're going to drop our pasta and undercook it by 1 minute for package directions. And we're going to spray the pan with just a little bit of oil. I know it's smoking up. That's because the pan's hot. That's the point here. We're dry frying. In that goes. Okay? And now we're going to take a lemon and put it cut side down off to the side of the pan. And we're going to season our asparagus with salt and pepper. And toss until tender, crisp, and charred at the edges for a few minutes. Okay, guys, there's the charred lemon from the pan going over the asparagus and the green onion, which I pulled off of the heat. The pasta's done. I reserved some water. Now we're going to drain the pasta after we turn the burner off so we don't set them up. Lessons learned there. Boom, out. Hot pan. Pasta back, undercooked by 1 minute. Adding our base, totally vegan, creamy, beautiful tahini harissa sauce. Gorgeous. Little of the starchy cooking water, saving some in case we need more. Now, a little of our veg, not much, just a little, save a lot for the top. Okay, mix, mix, mix. Vigorously emulsifying that amazing sauce for shortcut pasta into the beautiful serving dish. And then we top. This pan's too heavy to just drag it on over there. So now I'm going to scatter around the rest of our charred asparagus and spring onions. And then instead of cheese, no, we're not adding more salt and fat. We're adding more flavor. We're gonna go crazy and add Za'atar all over. Homemade or store-bought. Wow. Come on.